I'm Wavy A. So what's up, Wavy Family? So I'm sorry for the little mess that's in my desk area, but you know, we're gonna do a little unboxing here. As y'all can see from the title, I finally upgraded to a new phone. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think I got the color in graphite. It's the 256 gig, and I already have an iCloud storage of 2 terabytes. So yeah, your girl been cooking up with the storage here. So I'm gonna give a little close-up view on how I'm gonna unbox this, y'all. So I'm gonna make sure y'all can see everything how I do it, and I don't have a case. I don't have a screen protector. I don't even have the little charger thing that you can like put that on. So yeah, we just got the box, and I got this from AT&T. So I ordered it on Monday. I ordered it on Monday. Then I went ahead and got it today, which is Friday. So yeah, that was pretty quick. I thought this was on back order. I thought I was gonna get this like 2 weeks from now. And yeah, I'm happy I got it now. So I'm gonna give the close-up view so y'all can see how I'm opening this and everything. So hold on. Okay, y'all. So I hope all y'all can see my hands right now. You know, I ain't ashy. Nope, we is not ashy over here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't gonna catch a girl being ashy on camera doing this unboxing. So I'm just gonna open this up carefully. I think, yep, okay, this is the way to open it. And Jesus, can your girl even open the box? Okay. See, yeah, I'm with AT&T. That's my phone company. So yeah, I gotta activate this phone because I just upgraded it with my old phone that I'm recording with right now. So yeah, it gave me some activation, and yeah, I think this is where I gotta return it. Oh, this is the thing if I have to return it. Okay, so yeah. Let's just flip it over on this side. Oh, she a little bit got the little cardboard, but as you can see, yes, you know, iPhone. We ain't getting this from AliExpress here. iPhone 13 to be exact, Pro Max in the color graphite, and yeah, it has everything on here. So I'm gonna move some other stuff on the side here. I'm just gonna pull these back. Satisfaction, like if y'all can hear that. Okay, so I pulled these tabs off. Okay. Wow, this phone is actually bigger than what I expected. It's the same size as my iPhone XS. But the cameras, I'm thinking the camera's gonna be smaller than that, but the camera is actually pretty big. So like I said, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the color graphite. I'm most likely gonna get a screen protector and a phone case today because I don't trust myself on just, you know, bearing it out, you know, having it, you know, just bare. I'm not that bold, y'all. I am not that bold. So it has, obviously, you know, this is the front screen. I'm not gonna peel this off just yet because I need to get a screen protector first. And I'm already getting smudges on the side of it, but that's okay. So it does not come with the regular USB port. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that in focus, but yeah, it doesn't really come with that. It just comes with the USB-C port, which I am kind of disappointed because I'm just thinking like, hey, we could just, you know, get everything right. But it did come with the charger, you know, so that's how I knew it was different. So that's the thing I'm gonna have to get, is probably a new charger. But the thing is though, I will be upgrading to get me some new AirPods, y'all. So it did come with the instruction manual, and yes, I am disappointed too about it not having its own headphones, but you know, this is the SIM card picker where I gotta transfer it over. And it only gave me one sticker. Like, I'm used to having the big apple and the little apple, you know what I'm saying? Like, if y'all know, if y'all are old enough to know, y'all know that it used to have some it used to come with its own headphones, and you get 2 stickers with the phone. Even with the iPod as well, it came with 2 stickers too. But I will be needing this soon, so I gotta make sure that I download and back up my iCloud before I even activate this phone, because last time I did that I lost hella pictures, because as of right now I have just about a little bit over 4,000 pictures, y'all, and that includes videos as well. So I've been using my old phone to record for my YouTube for quite some time now, almost like I would say over 2 years. So yeah, having this phone is definitely an upgrade. I already like it already. I haven't even turned it on, but I will be, you know, showing y'all what the new phone looks like after a while. Okay, y'all, so y'all know I said I didn't have a screen protector. I was gonna wait, but I need this phone to have a screen protector today. So I'm at the, let me see if y'all can see that. Yeah, I'm at AT&T right now. So yeah, got the phone with me. Well, I don't even think y'all can see me. Hold on, I got this phone with me, and I'm gonna see if they can put the case on it. And yeah, we just gonna see how they put the case on, because I got insurance, but it's basically the Apple Pay insurance for this phone. So yeah, we just gonna go in there, and then I'm gonna go to Target to get a case, because Target has cute cases. I don't feel like waiting on Amazon because I want a case today. So yeah, we just gonna go into this AT&T store. We're gonna get this screen protector. We're gonna get it started, okay? Sorry, I forgot to record that she was doing my case, because I don't know, like, she was so nice. But I'm at Target right now, and I'm trying to think of what type of screen protector not screen protector, y'all, what kind of case I want, because it's like so many. And I should have bought a privacy screen for mine, but I don't really care who looks at my phone, because for one thing, you're not even supposed to be looking at my phone because it's my phone. But I'm not really scared of whoever looks at my phone, so I'm just like browsing around trying to figure out which case is, like, I don't know, like, I guess clear, but I guess like kind of like these. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for the screeching sound. But this is like all glittery. I'm trying to think of like another case that might have like this charger with it, but I don't think they have that, and I don't want it to have a solid back on it, because in case I need to put like a picture that I want, or just like, I don't know, something like cute, but you know what I'm trying to say, y'all. But I just have to remember that I have the Pro Max instead of the Pro, because this case looks so cute, but it's not the Pro Max, it's just the 13 Pro. So we'll see if we can find one that's big. Oh, so I found the one that was 13 Pro Max. This one is actually cute. I actually like this one, so I'm gonna get this one. And I think it's only like $20, which is not bad. I got a cool screen protector, and I think this will just be the case because it looks really cute. I like the marble look, so I'm most likely gonna buy another case for this phone, but this is the one that I'm gonna start it off with, y'all. So if I didn't find this case, y'all, I would have got like this leather case here, because I think those are like more sleek, or the magenta, or I mean not magenta, I'm sorry y'all, I'm getting my colors mixed up, the black ones, because these are so cute. Because I thought about getting another clear case, but I realized how dingy the clear cases get, so I think this one will just be really nice and sleek. It's only $20, so that's that. And yeah, I'll show y'all when I put this case on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. As y'all can see, I did get a case and I did get a screen protector. I didn't get the privacy screen one, so it's just a regular I'm trying to wipe off this extra stuff. Yeah, it's just a regular screen protector, y'all. I didn't get no privacy screen one because the one that I wanted on Amazon, it wasn't there. And then when I went to Target and I got this case, which I will put on for y'all as I'm talking, I realized that they had the privacy screen protectors at Target, and I was like, dang, I should have got that. But it was a little bit more expensive than this screen protector, because this screen protector, this one was $20, $25, and I got the warranty for it just in case it cracks, breaks, or just easily comes off. So I was like, I probably did the best that I could on getting just this type of regular screen protector. And I will put in the link down below in the description box where I got this case from. And it's just, the brand is called, oh Lord, the brand is called Heyday. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying to make sure y'all it can focus. Okay, there we go. It's Heyday. I just, 13 Pro Max. And yeah, so, oh, I didn't know it was blue on the side, y'all. But yeah, I decided this marble look type of case would look so cute with the graphite black. I'm over here saying cute, and I'm talking about technology, y'all. But y'all ain't gonna pay me no mind. But anyways, yeah, I decided that later on I was just gonna, oh, I'm kind of struggling. Later on, I'll just get the privacy screen protector case, which I will, because I saw how that price was. I thought it was a little bit more expensive, but it's still on the expensive side, y'all. But this is the case, and I'm just gonna put it on just like that. And I would do the activation part on camera, but I'm using my iPhone XS Max phone right here, and Lord have mercy, I'm kind of struggling, but this is what it looks like. I like this. It's very cute. I like the marble effect. It's very glossy, and it just hugs the phone how I want it to hug, if you know what I'm saying. But I will not be doing an unboxing. I will not be doing a setup part with y'all, because I am using this camera right here, which is actually my old iPhone XS Max. So I've had that phone for about 4 years, going on 5 years now. So this was way overdue. And I'm so happy that I was able to get this phone just in time for, the holidays. This is basically my Christmas gift to myself. And I'm just super excited to test out the cameras, y'all, because, I saw them 3 cameras, not to, zoom in on the triphobia for those of y'all who have that, because I have that as well. So I'm trying not to look at the 3 camera holes right now. But I've heard that the camera quality is immaculate, and also the picture taking, which I do as well, is just on another level. And I just can't wait for y'all to see more good quality videos with this phone as I'm doing more YouTube video, guys. And I'm so excited to use this phone and show y'all all the capabilities for it. And I most likely will put little pictures here and there in this video of how the camera quality is. I'll do like a side-by-side view of like the front camera up here and the back camera as well, just so y'all can see like the camera quality right offhand as I'm making and talking this video. So if you guys like this video, give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment on what other new technologies that you guys are ready for this Christmas, and let me know if y'all actually like my new case and my new phone, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video, y'all.